I'm gonna go to the container planning function, okay? In order to, start with my planning efforts. So in this view, we're going to see all the different transport orders that are that need to have a container assigned, okay? On in here we have a different set of filters, okay? These are also configurable. The ones that we're seeing are very basic, basically related with the customer, the route details, the schedule, etc. Okay, and then in here we will see a list of transport orders that need to have a container assigned, and we will see as well the orders that already have a container assigned. Okay, if we log into the details, we can have an overview of the order itself, and then we can have the containers that have been assigned to this one. Okay. Um, so I'll get back at this screen after I plan one. So I'm going to go into the planning interface and I'm going to start over again and try to go a little bit slow. Okay. So in here, sorry, we will have all the transport orders that they need a container to be assigned. Okay. So we can add certain level of actions. We will see and I'll basically launch these afterwards. Okay, so yeah, you can filter the list by uh, different filters. You want to see only the outbound Netherlands orders. Um, Basically, well, yeah, we can filter by customer as well to see some more of them, etc. Okay. So down here we have the transport orders and we have the route details with pickup address and date, delivery address and date, then the item, and then the units of the order. Okay.
Just to mention, this is a table. So that means that if you want to have an extra column or remove one of these columns because it doesn't make sense for you that information to have it there, you can do it. Okay?
Yeah. When the cargo line has a dangerous goods, we list it in here. So we can take a look at it, the hiring compressed and the time instructions. And then we select multiple of them, okay, and we have a small optimizing function that can be basically enhanced a little bit more, okay. So let me explain a little bit how this works. We're listing all the different orders in here with the necessary tank instruction, and then we're listing the containers with their next available date in here with the tank instructions from the container. What we're doing is that we have a function that the function, well, it is a function from the distance of the last destination of the container and the pickup address from the order, and then let me go back. So basically with that score calculation, as you said, there's two ways that we can do it. Okay. We could list all the different containers and all the different orders, and probably I would need to select more carefully the examples, but this what we'll do is try to assign the lowest score container to the order itself. Okay. Um, so the other way to do that would be either manually, okay, which is basically from the order, we're going to see all the different containers that are available at that date, their latest position, and then the score calculated as a function on the restrictions between order tanning instructions and container tanning instructions. Okay, and this is something. So this is live data. Okay, we just created an example in order to make it a little bit more realistic. But these parameters can be modified in order to modify the score calculation behavior. Okay.
Just one thing to add here. So, well, even if we have optimization logic behind the scenes, formulas, and things that are going to allow the user to select the best option, in our experience, we have seen that customers, they don't like the black boxes. So as you have seen, in each one of the steps, you're going to be seeing the results that function is giving you. So you can always select one or the other. It's not the system doing it automatically and just for you a black box and to trust in the system that they have selected, the system has selected the best option. No? Obviously, this could be automatized. No? So if in the future you trust the system and you have seen that all the results it's giving you are the correct ones, basically we can just tell the system to do it automatically. No? But you always have the option of going step by step.
Okay. So now that I have assigned the container, I'm basically going to save, and my order is not in here anymore, and it's on the already planned orders. Okay. This is what I was saying previously. So we have allocated all the units into a container. If we need to revisit this, we can take a look at at the at the container that we've used. Okay, and if we actually go back into the order, um, if we go back into the order, we will see how that container has been assigned. And we can see the weight and volume uh, that we are taking out from the capacity. Okay.